Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of the all-new 2020 Chevy Camaro LT1. For the month of October, Apple Chevrolet is offering all of its customers over $2,800 in savings on this specific vehicle. It is a front-wheel drive Camaro that comes with a 6.2 liter V8 engine, a manual transmission, your black Chevy decals, and 20-inch silver painted aluminum wheels. Now when we go ahead and get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have cloth seating with that gray lining throughout the entire vehicle. Now when it comes to the front of the vehicle, we do have a brand new Chevy MyLink radio, your push to talk, and standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.